Alright, YouTubers, hamburger. Put it in the Pampered Chef, just make for mixing. Time to do the mixing. Gonna do some Famous Dave steak and burger seasoning. Again, I like my mixes put in. Smokehouse maple, get a little maple taste to it. Garlic powder. Sriracha. And it's time to get the hands in there. They're clean. Okay. Paper towel. More sriracha. Smokehouse maple. Gotta mix things twice, don't you? Oh, I think you do. The garlic. And the Famous Dave's. Alright. And mix. There we go. Kind of dark in there, but there we go. Alright, now we're going to prep the burgers. Just putting some Pam on aluminum foil. I'm not going to cook on it, but this helps everything slide. A little bit of Pam on there. And then I'm going to try, again, I don't do well, I'll try to make 3rd pound burgers. Roll that one up. Roll this one up. Try to eyeball them and see if they look about the same. I think I'm pretty close. Alright, put it in there. There we go. There's one. 2. 3. Okay. Alright, the second little Pampered Chef. Dishes to do now, but I got broccoli at Walmart, so I need some of my crowns. Not a lot, because I got 2 ears of corn. There we go. Put that all away. Use some of that great artesian water to steam it. And we'll be set. Alright, I'm gonna get the pan hot. Gonna do something else with these. Alright, it's starting to get hot. It's probably not hot enough, but I'm not being patient.
Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you that it's not always easy to cook in a small Class B with a very limited amount of space. And I'm also going to show you that sometimes I make mistakes. I could edit it out, but I'm going to go ahead and share it with you.
We'll add some more cheese and see what we can do. See if we can save it. Doesn't always work. But you adapt and overcome. This one will work.
This was the first mess up. There's another one coming.
Oh, we're getting this one. Okay. Bam, cheese hat. That's done enough. I can turn it off. Let me get everything set up and we're gonna eat. Oh, I'm gonna start my broccoli.
Super surprising to me, I didn't have to edit out any swear words because for some reason I didn't swear.
Alright, so that fell on the floor. But I got a little of the crisp, so we're going to do another one. try it again.
And yes, I had to wash the spatula.
Okay, let's try it. There we go. Turn that off. That's done. Broccoli starting. Get everything set up. For my corn. Alright, cheese hat on the burger. Bam.
That is a beautiful cheese hat, and cheese hats are beautiful. Corn's pretty good too.
I didn't toast the bun. Burger with onions. I got the onions under there. Cheese hat. Corn. And broccoli's coming. Over too. Burger. Corn. And steaming broccoli. With lemon juice is going to go on it. Alright, there we go. First we'll taste the corn. I know it's going to be good. Another one of my corn thingies. Use the one end of it there. That's really good corn. Really good corn. Ooh, steaming. Am I still recording? I am still recording, so I put my lemon juice on. And we're going to taste the burger. I make a very good burger with a great cheese hat. This is a nice crispy cheese hat. Onion. And I actually was able to make third-pound burgers this time and not monsters. Alright, YouTubers. I hope you enjoy. Well, I got to show you that I'm eating the trees. It's going to be really, really hot. It's really, really hot. But it's good. Have a great and wonderful day.